Local families dropping out of Medicaid and SNAP programs as the Trump administration prepares to roll out a new regulation targeting immigrants. Good evening. I'm Jennifer Piñate.
And I'm Chad Mira. Thanks for joining us tonight at 10. KNWA's Clarissa Bustamante joins us live in studio now. And Clarissa, what exactly does this initiative entail?
Chad, Jennifer, it's called the Public Charge Rule, and it seeks to stop immigrants who need public assistance from living in the country. As the start date for the initiative draws closer, Northwest Arkansas immigration groups are working to stop it, while local Republicans are saying it's a necessity. It's a change to a long-standing rule, tightening restrictions on who can cross the U.S. border.
Individuals who hope to get either a visa or green card in this country, but are connected to individuals, citizens with public benefits. They could be denied the opportunity to get a visa or come to this country.
The public charge rule aims to slow legal immigration by stopping those who are likely to use government benefits, an idea Arkansas Senator Bart Hester says he can get behind.
Certainly we have empathy for people that need these services, but the reality is the American people have paid into these systems their whole lives, and it is for the people that have paid for it.
While the rule was created for new green card and visa applicants, the buzz around the new rule is causing confusion for legal immigrants who already live in the natural state.
There's mass panic in our community, and we're right now seeing as a result children not signing up for our kids. We're seeing families not taking advantage of food stamps or other assistance or federally assisted programs.
Medea Reith with Arkansas United says these green card holders are afraid if they or their kids sign up for these benefits, they're going to be barred from becoming citizens.
They have paid into our system. They have paid into our tax base, and now they are not taking advantage of these programs because of fears of implications toward their citizenship process for the future.
If you have legal status to be here, and then you have the right to pay into the system and use these services. If you do not have legal status to be here, you should not be using these services. That is taking from someone that paid for them, that needs them.
Again, this new rule is geared towards those hoping to get a visa or green card in the country, not to people who are already legally living here.
Our country is charged with taking care of us, and other people's home countries should take care of them, and if they're not, they need to fight to change that.
The new public charge rule will take effect next month on the 15th. Live in studio, Clarissa Bustamante, KNWA Northwest Arkansas News.